Welcome back to Jeep Mudmaster, your favorite spot on YouTube for rugged rides, luxury campers, and wild adventures on wheels. If you're into 4x4 beasts, off-road monsters, and homes that move with you, you're in the right place. Today, we've got a sleek stunner that blends stealth with power. The Mercedes-Benz Sanctuary Camper Motorhome in a vibrant glossy black finish. It's rugged, it's classy, and it's built for every terrain you can imagine. So buckle up, because this tour is about to get seriously awesome. Let's dive in. Exterior front view. Feast your eyes on this black beauty, standing tall at the official Mercedes-Benz showroom. The Sanctuary Camper Motorhome wears that glossy black like a tuxedo made for the trail. Right up front, the iconic Mercedes-Benz emblem gleams proudly on the grille, surrounded by powerful headlamps, a bold hood line, and a clean aerodynamic shape. The front speaks pure German precision, with strength and class fused into one rugged machine. From a distance or up close, this is a camper that commands respect. Topside view. Let's move to the top. The rooftop of this camper is a fully equipped command center for off-grid living. You'll find integrated solar panels stretching across the top, soaking up the sun to power all your onboard gadgets and lights. There's also a compact roof-mounted AC unit to keep you cool no matter where you're parked, and a sleek antenna to boost your signal when you're off the grid. With this setup, you're free to camp anywhere and stay powered the whole way through. Backside view. Now swinging around to the rear, the action continues. Mounted neatly is a full-sized extra tire, always ready for those rocky paths and remote detours. Just below it, a smartly fitted cycle carrier is attached, perfect for mountain bikes or electric scooters. The double rear doors are built tough and locked down securely. Every detail in the back says one thing loud and clear: this ride is ready for adventure, anytime, anywhere. Side view. The side of the Sanctuary Camper opens up a whole new vibe. Your personal patio on the road. A fully retractable side awning creates the perfect shaded outdoor lounge. Pop out your camp chairs, light up a grill, and enjoy the view from wherever you're parked. Whether you're chilling by a mountain stream or desert edge, this side setup brings comfort to the wild. It's not just a camper, it's your luxury lounge under the stars. Driving compartment. Step into the driver's seat, and you're in control central. The driving compartment is tech forward and ultra comfortable. 2 LED screens dominate the dashboard, one for GPS and media, the other for real-time rear-view camera feed. The leather seats are plush and supportive, and the panoramic windshield gives you an open road experience like no other. Whether you're tackling city streets or backcountry roads, this cockpit gives you total command with style and safety. Sitting and sleeping area. Just behind the driver's seat, the transformation begins. By day, it's a cozy sofa area with a compact table, great for meals, work, or kicking back. Come night, the space easily converts into a full-size bed, comfy enough for 2 adults. The soft cushions, ambient lighting, and smart storage give this area a clean, cozy vibe. Whether you're working remotely or watching a movie, this is a kind of space that redefines mobile living. Kitchen. Hungry? No problem. The mini kitchen is tucked beside the sitting area and includes everything you need for cooking on the go. A 2-burner gas stove, mini fridge, stainless steel sink, and neatly organized cabinetry give you functionality in a small footprint. There's even a prep counter for chopping veggies or pouring a hot coffee at sunrise. It's a clever layout that makes every meal easy, efficient, and enjoyable. Washroom. Think a van can't have a decent bathroom? Think again. The Sanctuary Camper's washroom is a compact marvel. It includes a toilet, foldable sink, and a mini shower head, all tucked into a waterproof cabin that maximizes space. Hooks for towels, a mirrored cabinet, and even a small skylight make this tiny room feel fresh and practical. It's the kind of convenience that turns a short trip into a full-blown escape. And that wraps up our full tour of the Mercedes-Benz Sanctuary Camper Motorhome. A sleek, rugged, and smart camper built for the boldest road trips. With its vibrant glossy black finish, 4x4 wheels, and fully loaded features, this beauty is ready to roll wherever you want to go. All of this, and it comes at a jaw-dropping price of just $31,000. So what do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And you already know what to do. Force them to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Catch you on the next wild ride with Jeep Mudmaster.